Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asadullah Khan and my group member is Sayyid Masab Shah. The topic that I am going to be demonstrating is nonlinear tensile stress. Now, I have simulated this test on Solidworks. This is the animation. So this is the area where the max stress is at, and this is the area which has the minimum stress. The maximum stress on this steel is 1.72 to the power 8 Newton per meter square, and these are the different results such as and strain and the elongation, the displacement that has been created due to the force on the steel rod. Thank you.